Let's draw this M30 bolt in front of us. So the goal in this video here is to draw realistic threads in Autodesk Inventor. So without wasting much time, we're gonna go on there we go, metric standards millimeters, then you say create. So here we are going to start with a triangle. So we're gonna say 3D, 3 side. Then that will be our triangle. We're gonna say done. Since we are dealing with M30 bolts, so we need to know that the pitch needs to be, come again, the pitch needs to be 3.5 millimeters, right? Then we're gonna go for the rectangle. So this one here, let's start by that. This one here needs to be parallel to that, okay? And from here to there, I want to have 0 millimeter deviation, and from here to there, I want to have 6 millimeters. Good. And this whole thing here needs to be 130. All right. After that, I'm going to draw this line here, which is my axis, and we are drawing half of our bolts. Then that's one day needs to be 15 millimeters, which is half the diameter. And then the next thing is this one here needs to be with that one. Good. This now is the head of our bolt, and the height of the head need to be 0.8 times 30, which is 24, and half of 2 times our bolt diameter is 30. All right, good. So now after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on 3D model, we're gonna click on revolve. We are going to revolve these two profile against this axis. Good. Okay, then we will come here, right? We're gonna create a chamfer of 3 millimeters. Then we say okay. Next, we're gonna come here and say visibility on. We want to see the visibility, we want to see the sketch, so this is gonna be visible. Then you will come here, right? Then we're gonna go on 3D model, we're gonna click on coil. Here we want this profile to go through this one. Yes, the pitch is 3.5 millimeters. Yes, now the revolution 30, that's good. This is for the previous drawing. Then I'll come here, I'll say that way inside. Then I'll say okay. Now you have the threads on your bolts, so I'll say visibility off. Good. So here I'm gonna cut there to make sure that it's smooth down there. So this one here, I'll go with 0.3. Okay, good. Okay, the same applies there, 0.3. Good. And then I'll say okay. Now you have your bolts. So now let's focus on the heads. Okay, can you see this? This okay. Let's now focus on the heads. Okay, we're gonna come on the head. Yeah. All right, we're gonna say new sketch. So here we need to make sure that this one here is a octagon. So we're gonna have 8 sides, I should say. Then this one here needs to go like that, and then we say done. We're gonna go into the model, we're gonna click on extrude. We will cut that one, this one here, that one. Oh, what did I do? Let's restart. Extrude. We will cut this one here, we will cut that one over there, we'll cut that one. That one, this one, that one, and that one. Come on, here and there, right? So we will say cut through the whole height. Basically, we need over 24. Let's go with 30. Good. Then we say, okay. Now you have your bolts, the M30 bolts. What should I do next is to give the material. So this one here will be carbon steel or steel galvanized. Let's see. That's better. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.